Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Zoom meetings, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you make one of your Zoom call participants a co-host? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to make a participant a co-host with you in your Zoom call anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, maybe you're doing a lot of sales calls or team meetings, sometimes you need to bring in another host to help manage all of the different participants. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your live Zoom call. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into a live Zoom call, as you can see here. Now here on the Zoom call, if you want to make a participant a co-host with you, first you're going to need to find them in the participant list. So what you're going to do is click on the participants button down here on the bottom left. It looks like two little people. Once you do that, you're going to see everybody inside of your Zoom call. And once you found the person you want to make as a co-host, just hover over their name. Once you do that, you're going to see these two blue buttons, and you want to click on this one here called More. Once you do that, you'll see a drop-down menu, and you want to click on this button, Make Host. Next, you're going to get this warning. Are you sure you really want to make this person a meeting host? Go ahead and click on the blue Change Host button. Okay, once you do that, you can see this person is now the co-host. They're listed as a host and a guest, so they can go ahead and run the meeting. However, if I want to reclaim host, I can come back in here and either click on Reclaim Host down here on the bottom right, or I can hover over my name and then click on More and then click on Reclaim Host. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to make one of your participants a co-host, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.